tayo sa top 6. Kung hindi man tayo makapasok sa top 6, okay lang din. Pero sana makapasok tayo. Thank you. We love you, one and only queen. Kailangan ko pala itong i-set up dito, guys.
Covers PH.
Okay lang ba kayo dyan? Press 1 naman sa lahat ng mga nandito. Press 1. Press 1. Pasensya na may echo pag nagsasalita.
Winter snow is falling down, children laughing all around, lights are turning on, like a fairy tale come true. Sitting by the fire we made, you're the answer when I pray I would find someone, and baby I found you. All I want is to hold you for.
Oo nga eh. Kaya nga eh, no? Ang hirap kasi sa Bigo dito pag may pa-contest sila talagang kailangan malakas ka din ba? Wala na yung essence of talent talaga. Basta as long as you guys are supporting me, tumatambay kayo dito, goods na yun. Oo, nasa criteria din po yung live hours. Most, viewed.
You saved my heart from being broken apart. You gave your love away, and I'm thankful every day for the gift.
Thank you, Lawrence. Thank you so much.
Watching as you softly sleep, what I'd give you if I could keep just this moment, if only time stood still. But the colors fade away, and the years will make us gray. Baby, in my eyes, you'll still be beautiful. All I want is to hold you forever. All I need is you more every day. You saved my heart from being broken apart. You gave your love away, and I'm thankful every day for the gift.
Ay, nako, CJ. Umuulan ba dyan? Aww. Perfect pala yung live na to eh. Thank you, Iris. Roy, welcome back. Wish 107.5.
All I want is to hold you forever. All I need is you more every day. You saved my heart from being broken apart. You gave your love away. I can't find the words to say, and I'm thankful every day for the gift.
What's up, Downtown? Thank you so much. Guys, can you record this song para, tas isend nyo sa akin sa IG para alam ko kung ano yung tunog sa inyo. If it's okay lang. Okay. Thank you so much.